Hey, let's start working on your next text. Search engines analyze the text on your website. There are ways to highlight certain parts of your text to be better evaluated by search engines and to get better ranking positions. Log into your WordPress account as usual to get to the dashboard shown here. Click on Pages in the left menu and select your homepage by clicking on the title. By default, WordPress automatically adds the first heading into your page. You can edit the text for this as desired. The H1 should appear first, and only once in the text. For now, we will skip to heading 2, H2. Select your other headings. Format these as heading 2 or heading 3, E, H2 or A3. If you need to add a heading, you can click on the icon and select Heading from the pop-up menu. Highlight the heading and select H2 or H3 from the toolbar menu. You can use H2 and H3 more than once in the text. The heading should meaningfully structure your text and contain your 3 most important search terms. If you are managing a locally operating company, then you should also include the city name in a heading once. When the task is complete, click on Update and let's move on to step 2. If you want to learn more about digital marketing, visit rankingcoach.com to see how we can help your business's online presence.